Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix GIF not working on WhatsApp or how to fix WhatsApp GIF not working problem. So without wasting any time, here follow the steps. So what you have to do, you have to tap and hold the WhatsApp app and then click on app info. Then go to storage usage. Then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back. Then click on force stop and confirm it. Then go to the permissions and allow all the permissions over here. Now you can launch WhatsApp and check GIF not working problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then open Play Store. Here tap on search and search for VPN. And now you can install any VPN of your choice from here, such as Proton VPN, Super VPN, Turbo VPN. You can install any VPN of your choice. So you can install any VPN of your choice from here, then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location. And after VPN is connected, then you can launch WhatsApp app and check GIF not working problem is solved or not. This has helped the many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.